Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2016 Jeep Cherokee and I will show you how to remove and replace the battery. This video will apply to Jeep Cherokees made from 2014 all the way up to 2023. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now replacing the batteries on these vehicles is quite easy. It's quite easily accessible just under the front hood right here. So first thing you'll have to remove, down there you will have a battery holder, so you will need 10mm socket and extension. I will turn the flash on my phone so you can see it better. Okay, so it's just down there. So first remove that screw and remove the battery holder. Okay, so here's the holder and that long screw, and now the battery should be loose. You can give it a try. Should be easily removable, and the next thing is to disconnect the battery terminals, right? You have the negative and the positive. So when you are removing the battery, first you always want to disconnect the negative battery terminal and then the positive. And when you are installing the new battery in, always first connect the positive and then the negative. That way you will avoid any kind of shorts and any kind of problems. To remove the negative battery terminal, you just want to loosen up this screw on the top of it. So you don't have to remove it all the way, just loosen it up enough so you can wiggle the terminal off. Okay, and then just want to wiggle it and lift it up. Now what might happen sometimes, if the battery wasn't removed in a long time, this might be stuck. In that case, you want to use something like a flat screwdriver just to try and pry it from underneath while you're trying to turn the terminal. And also what you can do, you can also get a flat screwdriver, just insert it here in between and just tap it a bit on top to release the terminal, right? This doesn't happen too often, but like I said, if this is a very old battery that wasn't moved in a long time, this can get kind of glued to it, so it can be a bit of a hassle to remove it, but usually it's quite easy. Now the positive one, also just loosen up this screw on top. And wiggle it off. You see, in my case, it's going quite easy. And you can see the amount of corrosion down there, you see? So I will definitely have to clean this terminal before I install the new battery. And that's pretty much everything. Once it's all disconnected, you just want to leave this cover, this heat shield actually up if you have it, and then you can remove the battery, right? So just lift it up and remove it, yeah. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.